Today, we're going to be talking about something that's been borrowed from another high-stakes industry, one that's all about preventing catastrophic failures, nuclear power.
Preventing meltdowns. Okay, I'm intrigued.
This is about a technique called Probabilistic Risk Analysis, or PRA for short. And it's basically a way of figuring out all the things that could go wrong, even the really, really unlikely stuff. By understanding all the possibilities, we can make smarter decisions about where to focus our resources. They came up with something called fault tree analysis. Imagine a giant flowchart, but instead of mapping out a process, you're mapping out all the different ways a system could fail. And that brings us to a really cool example of how PRA is being used in the real world. A system called TRIAGE, developed by a company called AbaData, specifically for upstream oil and gas pipelines. It's about prioritizing. But what makes TRIAGE so fascinating is that it was the first system to really consider the impact of upstream well behavior on pipeline risk.
Wait, so it's not just about the pipeline itself, it's about what's happening at the wells that are feeding into it.
Exactly.
Okay.
Because it turns out that what's going on upstream can have a huge impact on the likelihood of pipeline failures. And so, to make PRA really work, you need to get everyone on board. You need buy-in from leadership, from engineers, from operators, from everyone.
So it's about changing the culture, creating a safety-first environment.
Exactly.
Exactly. And all of that's powered by the data-driven insights we get from PRA. It's really a game changer. We hope you've learned something new and maybe gained a new appreciation for the complex and vital world of pipeline safety. So stay curious, stay engaged, and keep those conversations about pipeline safety going.
Until next time, stay safe.